Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this look for you. You requested it in a video. It had a different lip, but I'm going to show you that one as well in this tutorial. Super simple, typical eye makeup look that I would do, and two lip colors that obviously I really like as well that I will be showing you in this video. And it's just a chatty, super casual video. A lot of stuff goes wrong in this video. If you need it to be perfection, this video is not that. I don't think any of my videos are, actually. So a very unperfect video with lots of mistakes coming up. So if you want to see my real life unperfect makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. That doesn't sound like something appealing. If you want to see my bad makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. I don't think it's bad makeup. It's just everything else goes wrong. Hi. I'm coming too. I have 10 minutes. I'm coming. Alright. Alright, well, that's my cue to go, even though it's the beginning of the video. That's confusing. If you want to see how I created this look with lots of mistakes happening, that's better. Then just keep watching. To start this video, I'm going to be using the Pixie Skin Treats Rose Flash Balm. It's an instant skin booster. I had this in my to try pile for a little bit, and I tried it this past week, and I've been loving it. And it's great underneath makeup. It's really moisturizing, slightly smoothing, and it smells like rose. You guys know I love the smell of rose. It's just such a nice light rose scent. I have my microphone in a different position for this video, so if the audio is poor in this video, we know never to do that again. But I'm trying to test out a couple things and different theories I have as to the little things that aren't working out for my setup right now. So now I'm going to be using this Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and I'm late to the game on this foundation, but honestly, this is so good, you guys. It layers beautifully, has a decent amount of coverage when you do 2 layers, and I'm just using the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection Brush, and I'm just going to match my neck. I'm using the color Sand, and it looks really dewy and fresh, but it does dry down on your skin. So I just like to work fairly quickly with this. Because this will dry down to more of a matte finish, I've been loving mixing this in with it. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This has a multitude of different uses. I've used it under, mixed, on top of. It's just such a versatile product, and I don't have anything like this in my collection. So this I highly recommend. I'm using shade 4 medium, and I just like to put it on the points of my face that I want a little bit more glow, because as I said, this will dry down. So I'm just going to do my cheeks for now. I can always add more later. This adds the most natural glow. I've been doing this without highlighter just to add a natural glow to the skin, and I've just been loving this over any kind of traditional highlighting product. I love it so much, you guys, and I think it's a fairly unique product. I'm going to do my concealer. I'm using the KKW Concealer in 5. I've still been really loving this. This really took me by surprise. This is quite yellow, but it gives a beautiful brightening effect underneath the eyes. If you have troughs underneath your eyes like I do, kind of sinks in a bit. This is a thicker concealer, not too thick, but it definitely helps fill in those areas. And then I'm just going to take that brush and flip it around to the concealer side. Just blend that out. So as you can see, this does a very good job at brightening up my under eye area. Just to tie everything together, I'm going to put a little bit in areas which I would traditionally highlight with concealer. Blend those out. I'm just going to take my KKW Beauty Powder to set underneath my eyes. And I'm so excited to get Alex from school today, because one thing about him, he never asks for anything, but the past couple weeks, he's been asking for this one toy. It's called a Smasher, and I managed to find some online for him to surprise him, and it's supposed to come today. So I'm waiting on the delivery. Hopefully it comes before he comes home from school. It doesn't matter if it comes after. But I really want to surprise him just because As I said, he never asks for anything, and he's been waking up talking about this, dreaming about this toy. Past couple of videos, I have noticed my camera has been shaking, and I honestly do not know why. It's level. I can't figure it out. I've been trying for a good half hour before I even started filming. I was just about to give up on this video because I've said it, this is kind of a test for me. I haven't perfected everything and it's really hard by myself. So I got my husband down here, and temporarily I have some weights on my tripod to keep this in place in hopes that it doesn't shake. Before at my old place, I had hardwood floor, and here the carpet is awesome for absorbing sound, but it's so soft and my tripod just wouldn't stay still. It would pick up every single vibration. I'm hoping that this helps it out for this video, but I think that's going to work, hopefully. Real life video problems. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm going to be using this new MAC Shape and Shade brow tint in the shade Spiked. I showed this in my MAC haul, and I'm going to show a little bit on camera, but mostly I'm going to do it off just because brows take me quite a long time. So I'm just going to comb through my brows. I'm not going to put wax in them today because I did that before and I don't think it went in as nice. I need a mirror. Brows are partially done. I'm going to fix them up later, but I'm going to be using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette for this look. This is what I did for that other look in the video, and I'm just going to take burnt orange first. I'm using these new brushes from Wet n Wild, this P15. So I had some questions as to why we moved, and we liked our old house. We've just been wanting someplace different with a little bit more space. This definitely has more space than our old house. And we were also looking to rent, and I hadn't seen a house that I specifically liked. My husband was showing me a bunch, and there's just nothing I really wanted to invest in. And then we came up with the idea of just keeping our old house and renting that out. So that's what we plan on doing. I think it's a great rental house, so that's why we actually still own that. And no one's living there yet because my husband's doing some work on it. He's really handy, so we wanted to make it really nice. And we still have some stuff there too that we haven't moved out, but that is why we decided to move. I'm going to take the shade Rustic next, same brush. Just going to start deepening up the outer corner. I'm just going to get a big fluffy brush. This is a Morphe E27 just to blend those two together, and this has no product on it. Now I'm going to use the shade Bronze in the palette and a Morphe M421. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of this Lila Bee A Glow Face Mist. And I purchased this because I think I was watching Jaclyn Hill's Favorites, and she was talking about this a few times, I think, in the past. So I decided to pick it up. And I tried this on my face without makeup, and I'm pretty sure it gave me a reaction. I'm going to keep testing it out. I want to test it out tonight when I wash my face as well. Otherwise, I'm not going to use it, but the past couple times I've used it with makeup, I've been fine. So I don't know if it was just a one-time thing, or if maybe because I have makeup on that it creates a barrier. Because there is lavender in there, and normally I'm really good with lavender, but the first time ever using it, it did give me a reaction, like right away. I'm going to start deepening things up, starting with Cypress Umber, and then I'm going to move to Noir. This is a Sephora Pro Drawing Shadow 41. I'm just going to put it in the very outer corner. And luckily I have powder under my eyes because there is quite a bit of fallout. I love this palette though. I love ABH palettes. Looks a little bit messy, but we're going to blend it out after. Going in with the Noir. And then we're going to blend. Now just taking any felt tip liner you have, I'm going to do a wing. I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Put on a little bit of mascara. I'm using Bare Minerals Lashtopia, which I've been liking. I'm going to be filming Saturday, possibly Sunday as well. You guys should be watching this on Friday because I'm filming this to get a video up for you guys because I had nothing really planned. And I know a bunch of you just wanted like a chatty sit down video. I'm taking requests now. If you have something you really want to see, let me know. Otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead with what I figured I would be filming. I think a lot of people wanted to see my completed beauty room tour, so I was considering doing that. Well, most probably do that. Anything you guys want to see, let me know because I'm filming again tomorrow. So I'm going to be using my Goddess lashes from Cocoa Lashes and my Socialized Lash Glue. That's what I was using in that look. I'm just going to pop these babies on. And a good eyelash day too. It's a good day. Did you guys see that? Jeez. It's like, speak too soon. You're not going anywhere now, Lash. Just going to take a pencil brush, then just go in with the colors we used first. So burnt orange. Doorbell. Come on, pure later. I'm still recording. Oh wow, that's embarrassing. We got the package. Make sure it's in here. So these are the toys I was talking about. Smashers. So that's what Alex is gonna do after school. So depending on how smoky you wanna go, you can use any of these colors. Going in with Cypress Umber. Do a little bit of black too. That made it smoky, for sure. I don't think you guys realize how much I need to plan my videos. Otherwise they start turning out to be like this, just all over the place. You know, which is real life. This is my life. So we're just going in with a black eyeliner. I lost the cap. What is my life? Now I'm just going to put some lower lash mascara on. And put some inner eye. It's not a step you should follow. Then for bronzer, I've been using the shade Delphic from MAC. It recently relaunched in one of their newest collections, and I used to love this color, but I stopped using it because it was limited edition, and I want to make sure you guys can still get product. And this is back, so now I can use it again, and I love it. So I'm so excited it is back. Using my Zoeva 109 face paintbrush, just going to do a quick nose contour, and then I like to go back and bake the sides. Oh yeah, and I dropped my powder on my foot and I lost my beauty blender. I'm just gonna take any brush just to lay this on the side of my nose. This is typically not how I do it. I use a beauty blender, but it's probably in my storage room where I found my weights. You can make anything work if you really want to. I'm not gonna have it sit there too long because it was already did that before. I think you have something fixed. It's seriously weighted down. Is it the camera? Like, I don't get it. For my blush, I'm using MAC Cheeky Bits, which was one of the new Extra Dimension blushes that I picked up in my most recent MAC haul. And then to dust over that, I use the NARS Orgasm Illuminating Loose Powder. This is new. This is so pretty. Then for my nose highlight, I just used my NARS Fort de France. This has black in it. Oh my gosh. Why did I grab that one? And I'm going to set my face with the Lila Bee setting spray. As I have a facial reaction. I don't even want to tell you guys that I lost. Oh, there it is. You guys are going to be like, what is wrong with you? For lips in the video, I was wearing Avon Silky Peach. And then I also was wearing this nude color on Instagram. And it was kind of split which one you guys wanted to see. So I'll show you both. I'll show you the shimmer first. And I just put this on, no lip liner. Looks like you have movement. It looks like you have almost a gloss on. Super pretty. I recently worked with Avon. You wouldn't have seen the video yet, but I've been loving these lipsticks. And they have a promotion coming in June, so stay tuned. And then this is the light nude one, which I will be wearing. It's called Perfectly Nude. It is quite light, especially for my skin tone currently. So I'm just using a little bit of MAC Hover and then the Avon Perfectly Nude. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video despite my technical difficulties. I'm trying everything I can to figure it out, and I know I will figure it out. Just give me a few more videos, it will get there. This was another test, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. This wasn't really a planned video, it's just something I threw together last minute. We have 15 minutes to spare before I have to go pick up Alex, and that's gonna be it. Gotta get dressed, get out the door. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. He's not here yet.
Alex! I saw you smash it! Oh, I just said Daddy Alex home. Oh, I can't!
You want to wake up to this?
It's a smash brush.
Alex! He's asleep. Alex!
Smash it! I want smash.
Okay, let's open one at a time. Smash one, Ari. What did you get? Let's see. Whoa. What did you get? We'll have to look on the sheet.
It's so big. It's so big.
A helmet?
Yes. You gotta help it.
You want to throw it on the ground again? Not on the wall. Smash it on the floor.